Hello friends, welcome to this new video. I guess you have noticed recently that I post a video every 2 weeks. I don't have enough time, that's why. I hope you're enjoying the few videos that I'm posting. Today, as usual, we're going to look at two questions. Okay, the first one, you're going to find the missing number. Okay, so you get 1 minute to think about it, try to solve it, and you'll be happy to notice you did it correct. Okay, 1 minute, ready, steady, go. So 1 minute is up, and I guess you had enough time to think about it. And now let's look at the correct answer. So what is the logic here? It's pretty simple. Like with all number tests, you just have to try to make some sums and products and so on and see. So in this particular case, the multiplication of 12 and 6 here will give you 72, I think, and then the sum of these two is 72. Same here, 15 times 5, that's 75, and it equals the sum of these two. So here in the last one, of course, we are missing 7 here. So 13 times 4, okay, that's 52. So 7 plus 45 equals to 52. Yes, so 7 is the correct answer. Great, I hope you find it out, or otherwise, you know it for next time. Okay, if you're new to my channel, and if you would like to have more of these kind of questions in some future videos, don't forget to hit the subscription button, okay, and activate the notification bell in order not to miss any of my videos. So here comes the second question now. Okay, 1 minute, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's time again to look at the correct answer. The logic here is that from one step to the next, if two little figures are touching each other, they disappear. Okay, and they are replaced by two other figures. So in this case, we have these two touching each other, they get replaced by these two. Okay, and now in the next one, these two are touching each other, they get replaced by this and this one. So with that logic in mind, we should not get any n or any rectangle in the next figure, so we can safely remove these two and these two. So this leaves us directly with D as the correct answer. Okay, so yes, D is the correct answer. So don't watch my videos this far to stay unsubscribed. Okay, I mean, this is the right time to do it, and by doing so you support me, and this encourages me to make more videos like this. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and that will be all for today. Okay, and yeah, today I haven't planned any riddle for you, and yeah, if you would like some riddles, then just let me know in the comments down below. I'll leave you for now. Until next time, please take care. Peace.